Now, judging by the title of the video, you already know what I'm about to show you, but I want to give some context to this clip. To our very first Japan trip of 2024, me, my girlfriend Jenna, Caden, and his cousin Noah were driving down the Hakone Pass in Japan. And at the bottom of the pass, we were in this very small town. We ended up making a wrong turn, and we ended up passing by a dealership slash shop, and the car that I saw there is the car I'm about to show you. Right now, at the time of me filming this video, I've been waiting 2 whole years for me to have this car, and I'm about to show it to you guys. So that being said, let's get back to the video. So right now we are in Tokyo waiting for Miguel to pick us up to take us to his shop so we could see a very special car. And we took an hour train ride and it's gonna be an hour car ride to the shop. So we picked up some konbini breakfast. She ate her onigiri already. This is Robson Leather. They do upholstery work in Japan. This is their steering wheels and this is a dash from a GTR. They do really good work. They even do dry carbon. Even their office chairs. It's from an R32 GTR. Really good quality too. So this is Miguel's shop. He specializes in import-export. This is an inventory. We got super rare M-Spec GTR, B-Spec white, midnight purple, and another M-Spec GTR Millennium Jade with an R2 RB26. This is gonna go up for Bring a Trailer. Very, very clean car. I'm also digging this little truck here. I love little K-trucks like this. Big bed too. This is very cool. I would totally bring this back to the States and daily drive it. I'm so excited. So we're here at Mintco to finally announce my brand new car. This is my 2000 Nissan Silvia S15. This is a Spec S model with one of the rarest paint codes that you can get. This is the BN5 paint code called Aqua Silver, and I forget how many they made. This is the rarest color you can get with a hardtop. Rarest S15 color you can get is white in the Varietta. This being a Spec S, it's not as admirable, obviously because there's no turbo, but this has the Aqua Silver paint code, and on the interior, this has the beautiful blue with the blue seats. This even has airbags. That's a rare option as well. This is the Type B option. So blue interior, blue stitched steering wheel, titanium meter finisher. It comes with front fog lights. It's my car. It's nice seeing it without cars crowding all over it.
Started. Shit, if you want to wash it, we can put it in the corner. Usually I have a car cover on it. I took it off when I was starting it the other day. You got a good deal, man. Bro, like right now, average at auction is for a Spec S, not even a rare color, is going for maybe 2.2 to 2.5 million.
And that's like what, 15? Is that 15 US? 16 US? 2.5 million?
2.5 million is about 16, 17,000, yeah.
I'm so hyped about this color. This is so wild to see again. I haven't seen this car in a year. Idle's nice. And another rare option is this OEM sat nav, satellite navigation. Everyone in the S15 forums know that this sat navigation is very common to break. So the fact that this can go up and down, to me that's a huge deal. Even this has the stock radio. The radio has not been touched. But this thing needs gas pretty badly. This has 145,000 kilometers, so about 90,000 miles. Very happy with the purchase. This has been at Mintco for about a year now, and I've been dying to see this thing in person again. That's so cool. I'm so happy that worked. This can play DVDs as well, I think. Does this have a disc in it?
It's a nav system.
So it's a navigation system, but because it says DVD, oh, bird view road map. So there's a disc in here and there's CD, MD, change your control. So there's like 2 different slots for the radio, which is interesting. Is there anything in this? No, there's not. Okay. Especially, it says TV right here as well. So let's open this back up. It does have a little crack right there, but luckily Nissan still makes parts for this, so I'm not too worried about that. これは私の車です。S15 Silvia. Oh, something rubs. Oh, it's the brakes. The brakes are dog shit. Oh, dude, the brakes are toast. You hear that?
Yeah.
Those are the brakes. Kind of surprised it stops. This is my S chassis. This is my S chassis. I have an S chassis. I honestly love the white GTR. Obviously the Millennium Jade holds a special place in my heart, but the white, just the way it pops with the red engine cover. We're shooting some content right now. We're actually doing an ASMR reel. We have the M-Spec R2 motor warming up right now. So we're gonna shoot some content of both GTRs, and I'll get some more photos and video of the S15. My S15. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. We got both of the GTRs posted up. Oh man, feels like a dream. All right, you ready to drive it? I'm so happy this works. It's so cool. Turn your headlights on.
Oh yeah, this is easy.
Yeah, this car is really easy to drive. It is, the suspension is stiff like a freaking rock though. I like how like the maps is actually like accurate. It's a little outdated, but it's still accurate. I think we're about done. We close that. Because I've had this car in storage for about a year, it won't be legal for another year. It's currently January 2025. This being a 2000 car made in November, December-ish, this will be legal in about 11, 12 months. This is my new baby. It's mine. Now we gotta find Caden. What the hell? S15 with Model 5s. This is just the top floor too. Oh, CTSV wagon? Oh, hey, what's up?
Hi.
Hello.
Hello. We made new friends.
Nice.
Yeah. This is Yuya.
Yuya? Nice to meet you. Caden.
Caden. Also Caden.
Also Caden. Okay.
Yeah.
You want to check out downstairs?
I'm down. Anything to get me out of the wind.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair.
It's
I
20
love
years
this
old,
color.
love it.
Caden's drooling over this R34 with VSKFs.
Bro. I love small wheel 32s.
Oh, aero bumper. Give me your aero bumper and Ganna doors, please.
Aero bumper. I'm excited.
Dude, an aero bumper, if it's OEM, it's $5 grand US. Not even joking. That's a $5,000 bumper. But it kind of looks like a rep because, I don't know. It's hard to tell. Dude, check this out. Caden.
Yeah, Pagatori.
That's what that's called?
I think so. I'm 90% sure.
Oh,
I'm gonna Google it.
that's cool though. That's very sweet.
Yeah.
Content creator at work.
You say that as you're vlogging me. I'm not trying to be mean, but I can't be seen on video like this.
Why?
I look like a goober with my hair coming out. But I look like a molester if the hair's in. So like...
You look like a Kyle. Kyle.
Oh, hey man, what's up, dude?
Okay, so I think that's enough of me showing off my Japan trip from last year, but that's basically the backstory of how I got the S15.
So now, let's go pick the car up. We got the trailer ready, got the truck ready, and to make the trip a little bit more worthy, we're taking some car parts with us to sell it to some friends. So, should be a fun trip. All right, so we got Josh, we got Jenna, we got the truck and trailer. We are at the port. We got the export certificate and everything. So to pick up the car, you either need a TWIC card or an escort service. So a TWIC card is something you have to apply for via the federal government. And if you don't have a TWIC card, then you have to get an escort service. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Got a sweet S15 in a brown color and a Suzuki.
You're gonna find the car.
I'm gonna find the car.
You're gonna bring it up against the car, against the fence right there.
Okay.
Up against it, facing that way.
And then you stamp it.
And then I'll come out, I'll check it. If
Okay.
you have the right one, then I'll stamp it.
Okay.
And remember, I go to break at 10 o'clock, so.
Oh, yep, I'm gonna wait.
Oh my god, a Nismo QX80. That's so sick.
I could already spot a 180SX. We're picking up a car, boys.
But she has a break in 7 minutes. So we gotta go find this car and go home. Look at all those American muscles. Oh, there it is. Dude, sick spec car. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. This is it, boys. Oh wow, it's so filthy. Oh my god, it's dirty. All right, we got the key. Oh my god, boys. We got it. We are driving the S15 on American soil. This is This is awesome.
Oh god, I just closed the door and just poof, dust everywhere.
Oh yeah. Ah, dude, this color's so pretty.
Is it not hitting you?
No, not really. No.
You should stop by right by my house. There's like a big like where you wash your cars and stuff like that. We'll pull it in and we'll just wash the S15.
Oh my god. This is my car, man.
You want to get some revs in? So right now we are loading up the car on the trailer. We as in them, well, I'm helping. And this trucker has a Spec R loaded on the truck. So
That's pretty sick.
look at this.
Mine's better, in my opinion.
That's on there. I hope so.
That ain't going nowhere.
Oh yeah, you gotta give it the. Yeah, we good. We good, brother.
Also, I also just realized it has a Nismo exhaust, and we also went underneath the engine bay, and it has a HKS 4:1 header, so that's pretty cool. So before we head off home, we stopped by Fujiwara Tofu Cafe. If you don't know, this is a Fujiwara Tofu inspired shop in California, and they are actually closing down on March 8th. So we thought we'd stop by with the S15 right before they close down. So I think that's where I'll end off today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am so happy with this purchase. I am really excited to get going on this car. I already have a bunch of parts at home for it, ranging from control arms, wheels, and suspension stuff. But yeah, I'll have to document that. I am just in awe with this car. It's so pretty. The color and the interior, it's just in mint condition. Obviously you need stuff like tires and maintenance and stuff, but we'll do that in the future. But for now, guys, I'll have to end off the video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.